masakit. Pero, maganda siya guys sa katawan. Yes. Maganda sa katawan. At saka, maganda sa legs natin. Ano na, si Heidi? Nakatulog na ko, umulan. Nakatulog daw siya, umulan. Ay, yan ang gawin nyo guys. Exercise every day. Ganyan naman sa loob na ng bahay tayo. We are inside the house and then we're doing exercise guys. Like that. Yes. In, out, in, out. Ganyan exercise na guys, no? Maganda guys if we hold, what's this? Yung mayroon kang hinahawakan na ano sa katawan mo. Kasi guys, ako guys, I can carry 15, yung bigat na ano guys, na dumbbell. I can carry dumbbell guys. I will show you how to carry dumbbell, okay? Wait for me. I will show you guys. Like this. Yan. Look at that. This is a dumbbell. I will show you the dumbbell. Yes. And this one. Okay. Yeah. Yan. Ah. Okay. Oh. As you see guys, 4.4. This 4 is 4. This is 26 guys. This is all 26. Sorry. 26. Yan. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. Ano daw? Lakas ng ulan kaya nagising. Kaya, kailangan nagisingin para makita mo kung paano mag-ano ng dumbbell. Yan. Ito yung dumbbell natin. Yan. That's why, pag sumali ako sa boxing guys, pwede ako makasali sa boxing kasi I can't hold or I can't carry heavy things. Yes. Ilang kilo yan? Ilang kilo to? Ang isang kilo guys, ay isang ganitong malaki, yung malaki na to, 4.4. Bali, dalawang ganyan, bali, 8.8. And then, yung isa, 2.2. 8.8 plus 2.2, 12. 12.4 guys. 12.4. Yes. Ito also guys, 12.4 din to guys. We have 24.8. Yes. No. Ano guys? Kasi nasa loob niya guys, dalawa dito sa taas, dalawa din. 2.2, 2.2, 4. Oh my God, it's too much guys. 4.4, 4.4, 8.8 plus 8.8. My gosh. Isang ganito guys. 8 plus 8, 16 plus we have 17.2. Ito guys, 17.2 guys. Oh, 17.2 din to guys. We are 34 and 4. Aywan ko. Ayan guys, kasi double yun sa taas yan. 2.2 and then 4.8. Ang laki guys, no? Huh? That's why if you don't know how to carry the dumbbell, don't try. Just try a little one, the small one guys. Yes, 17.2. 17.2 guys. See? That's why I can carry a heavy things. Yes, dumbbell. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching.